Hey guys, happy Sunday, July the 14th. Y'all, today is a good day. I'm actually just sitting here getting this fingernail polish off my nails. My feet, I don't know if y'all can see, they not too bad, so I don't have to do that. But this one I'm using, this right here. This is the Ella and Mila soy vegan remover. It worked really good too. So I'm just doing that. Y'all know today's Sunday, so it ain't Selfish Saturday, but it's gonna be Selfish Sunday. I don't have much to do, too much today. I might pick up a shift, I'm not sure. I'm kind of like on call situation. So yeah, depending on the hour or the hours, I might do it. See how that come out so fast? But y'all, if y'all wanna know what's in my smoothie, it's strawberries, blueberries, and ginger. And I'm not gonna lie to you, it's real strong. It's so strong. But I gotta get it all drunk. And then this straw is, I think, a Starbucks, supposed to be recycled straw. But I wanted to thank some of y'all. Y'all are the kindest. Y'all are the kindest people, the kindest human beings here on my channel. So if it wasn't for y'all, there would be no channel. Thank you for letting me be me. Thank you for letting me genuinely be myself. I appreciate that. That goes a long way. But y'all, today is a good day. Like I said, I'm going to get ready to take me a bath. I think I want to switch my office around. I'm starting to realize I don't like stuff up against the walls. It's something about it. It's like, I don't know. Maybe it's because like as you grow, some things are just different. But anyway, guys, I'm going to finish drinking my smoothie, drinking all my water, looking at some of these comments, okay? So I will check back in with you guys in a moment. Did I tell y'all I got collagen in here too, but look y'all. Oh, we got stuff dripping everywhere. Came off. So this is my nails. I don't know. I think this one is about to, it's like a little crack right here, but I don't know if I'm gonna do my nails over. Maybe I keep my feet done, but I probably on and off during the summer do the nails, but I'm just gonna keep them plain like that. So let's go ahead and get ready to take our bath. All right, y'all. Know that you are loved. Even if you don't love yourself, he loves you. Even if you don't love yourself, okay? Know that you are loved. Ooh! Yes, keep singing that, girl. Even if you don't love yourself. Thank you, Jesus. Yes. He loves you. He loves you. So I'm putting on my black soap on my face, and then we're going to see what we're going to pick today for our color. So we're going to let this sit for a few. Bring you guys back. I'm so upset. Yesterday, I came in here, do my little face care, and I went to go pick up the serum. It just flew out my hand and fell on the floor. But thank goodness it didn't break. So, yeah, guys, I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. So we're gonna put, y'all already know. This smells so good. Y'all better go get some. Go get you some. And then down here, I'm gonna pull out my, y'all already know. And I'm trying to think which one I'm gonna use today. Look how that bubbles up. Y'all see those bubbles? Y'all see the bubbles? I'm not doing no mask on my face today. I don't need it. So I'm gonna use this one, and this is the lemon. What does that say? Sweet lemon. So that's how many I got left. Y'all already know how we do. Drop it in and let it work. So I'll see you guys in a moment. You guys, I almost forgot. I'm trying to clear out this little area here with my lavender and what is this? Peppermint oils. Trying to clear it out so I can have more space. That was the word that I wanted to say about my office. Claustrophobic. So like this right here, it's like claustrophobic to me. But I want to add a couple of drops like that. We in business, y'all. Look at all that. Look at them suds. All right, y'all. I'll see you guys in a minute. Call you back. Y'all don't understand how good that feels. The skin is glowing and all that great stuff. Y'all was saying when I picked this up, the whole thing fell out. Like this, the glass bottle fell out by itself and this went another way. I don't know how that happened, but girl. Oh my God, y'all, I feel so, oh my God, I feel so good. So this is the fragrance that I'm gonna wear today. The Finery. Yeah, Finery, I Am Musk. Hopefully y'all can see that. This is what we're wearing today. Oh, I feel so good. I feel so good. I needed that bath. Y'all don't understand. That's so, she needed it. And then that's what I did with the hair. Nice little ponytail. Yeah. So y'all, here is outfit of the day. Y'all, I love these high-waisted shorts from Universal Thread. They're Target brand. And I got these from North Carolina from that Goodwill. Now this is something that I kept. I'm keeping. But I love the cargo little style right here. And y'all remember this shirt? I told y'all. Wasn't gonna be able to see them underarms that had them stains. I love this shirt. I love the color. And you guys see the shoes. The shoes match the shirt as well. And y'all, I put my picture right here for now. I put it right there. I absolutely like it. But y'all, self-care, when I say self-care, it is for me to unwind, relax my feet, relax my mind. It's not for no man. It's not for somebody to be looking at me. It's just for me to feel good about myself, to like tap into just tap into everything that's good. The smell, everything. Even if I don't go anywhere, you know, that's just something that I love to do. So yeah, let me know if y'all like that right there. I did say I wasn't gonna put that right there, but it kind of like just goes so swell. Put it right there. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and do something else. Wow, this stuff be so damn crispy, getting on my nerves. All right, y'all, I'm done. It's just something about the space. It's something about the openness of the room. And even if I ever go live and things like that, you guys will still be able to see this. And then I wanted to, like, when I come into my space, I wanted to see this right here keeps me going, keeps me encouraged. So that was the reason that I needed to change this office space, along with the claustrophobia feel about it being on this wall right here. So yeah, y'all, that's what I wanted to do. So like I said, I got all this little air. Look at this size room. This room is a nice size, okay? I'm also in love with my chair, and then I just put the garbage can. I put the garbage can right there. So yeah, so no matter where I want to film in here, Far as like, and I think I'm gonna start doing that in here more, doing some lives in here. So y'all let me know what y'all think, okay? Soon as I get ready to leave, it gonna rain. It didn't say nothing about no rain today, y'all, at all. It is actually raining. So I'm about to head up to the Dollar General real quick, and I'll pick you guys back up in a little while. All right, I'll call y'all back. It's beautiful out here, dog. Yeah, I'm so pissed right now. I can't believe that it's raining so hard. I'm like literally, look, I'm literally like right here. When I say right here, I can run from here to over there. It's a distance away, but y'all, now it slowed down a little bit. These forecasters don't be correct at all. Talking about it's just gonna be cloudy all day now. Maybe it's gonna let up a little bit. I just gotta get a few things. That's all I wanna do. I'm just leaving out the house, y'all. I'm just leaving out. It looked like it's stopping a little bit. The clouds are looking like they're trying to subside. What is it? I don't know all the terminology, okay? I'm not a meteorologist, okay? All right, we'll be back. Y'all, it did stop for real, okay? Y'all want me to tell you why I was really mad? Because I wiped my baby down before I left home. Once I drive again, it'll go back. Should go back clean. So y'all, this is some of their selection of dollar stuff, which you already know. She just needed some tissue. I was looking for my the cold foam and the Starbucks, but they don't have any. Cooler is like, all they have is I hope these people don't be following me while I'm trying to do this. All they have is the creamers. They don't have the cold foam. They don't have the cold foam spray or the Starbucks for $5. So I got my tissue now. So y'all, I'm gonna call y'all back on another video, all right?